Welcome to Top 5 Report. The best shoelace aglets is probably one of the most overlooked yet impactful accessories for your footwear, transforming ordinary sneakers into statement pieces and offering a subtle yet significant upgrade to your style. These small but mighty additions not only protect the ends of your shoelaces from fraying, extending the life of your favorite kicks, but they also provide a customizable element that allows you to express your unique personality and fashion sense. Whether you're a seasoned sneakerhead looking to perfect your collection or someone simply seeking to add a touch of flair to your everyday wear, the right aglets can make all the difference in elevating your shoe game from basic to brilliant, ensuring your laces stay neat, secure, and stylish. Number 5. Goodlace Metal Aglets for Shoelaces. Tired of frayed shoelaces? Introducing Goodlace Metal Aglets, the perfect solution to repair or refresh your favorite footwear. Easily replace worn-out ends with these durable metal tips. Give your shoes a brand new look with a simple DIY fix. Choose from a variety of classic colors including silver, black, gold, and bronze to perfectly match your style. Whether for sneakers, boots, or casual shoes, these aglets provide a clean and stylish finish. Crafted from high-quality metal, they are built to last and add a touch of sophistication to any pair of shoes. Simply thread your shoelace through the aglet and secure it. It's that easy to achieve a professional finish. What we like. Looking for variety in your shoelace game? This option offers multiple pack sizes and color choices to match any style. If you need to refresh multiple pairs of shoes or want to experiment with different looks, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Mine came out exactly as I imagined they would, nice and round, and the grooves and prongs worked exactly as designed. Great little omelettes to replace worn-out plastic omelettes or add to clothes that didn't have any before. These were really inexpensive but have a sturdy feel to them, so they will be durable and are just under an inch long. Worked great for replacing the aglets on my steel toe boots for work. Used a pair of needle nose pliers and slowly pinched around the aglets to close them. I replaced my aglets a few months ago and these new ones are still looking brand new. Number 4. Boao Metal Aglets for Shoelaces. Introducing Boa's Metal Aglets, the perfect solution for your shoelaces. These durable tips are designed to replace worn-out aglets and add a touch of style to your footwear. Easily repair your canvas sneakers or get creative with DIY projects. These aglets provide a clean finish and prevent fraying, making your shoes look new again. Express your personal style with our assorted colors. Match the aglets to your shoes or create a unique look that stands out from the crowd. Crafted from high-quality metal, these aglets are built to last. They offer a sturdy and reliable replacement for your original shoelace tips, ensuring longevity. Measuring 20 mm in length, these tips are ideally sized for most standard shoelaces. They provide a secure fit without being too bulky or too short. Get great value with our pack of 200 metal aglets. You'll have plenty to refresh multiple pairs of shoes or for all your DIY crafting needs. What we like. Need a massive amount of aglets for a big project or to stock up? This bulk pack provides an incredible quantity with assorted colors, ensuring you'll have plenty to go around. If you're a crafter, a shoe repair business, or simply want to be prepared for anything, this is an excellent value. What people say. The aglets are easy to install and the color combinations that were available are a great quality. It was perfect to be able to get the proper length of shoelaces out of whatever you wanted them made out of. These aglets, 4mm size, are made for 550 paracord and do a fine job of finishing off my laces. They are easy to use as long as you are not rushing the job, and made lacing through boot eyelets so much easier. These metal tips allowed me to fix them easily and he was thrilled with the little extra style they give his shoe collection. Number 3. Aglet Crimping Tool Kit. Easily customize your hoodie strings, pants, and shoelaces with our Aglet Crimping Tool. Achieve perfect new tips without replacing the entire lace. This tool is compatible with 3, 4, and 4.5 mm metal shoelace buckles. It's like having 3 tools in one, covering most sizes. Featuring an adjustable pressure device and ratchet design, it makes installation effortless. The comfortable, non-slip handle ensures a secure grip. Just place the lace end into the tool and press down. It's that simple to complete your repair in seconds. This comprehensive kit includes the ratchet tool and 160 metal aglets in various sizes and colors for all your repair needs. The included metal aglets come in sizes 3 by 16 mm, 4 by 23 mm, and 4.5 by 23 mm, with multiple color options to match your style. What we like. Tired of flimsy aglets that fall off? This set comes with a specialized crimping tool, making installation a breeze and ensuring a secure fit every time. If you're looking for a permanent, professional-looking repair and want the convenience of doing it yourself without hassle, this is the ultimate solution. What people say. The shoelace aglets are very durable and have held up well through multiple wears and washes. The design of the aglets is sleek and modern, adding a nice touch to my sneakers. These aglets are easy to attach and stay securely in place, preventing my shoelaces from fraying. Number 2. Tupalizy 4 holes metal shoelace aglets. Are your shoelaces constantly fraying and looking worn out? It's time to give them a fresh start. These metal aglets are designed to replace the worn-out tips on your shoelaces. They provide a smooth, clean finish to keep your shoes looking their best. Repairing your shoelaces is now a simple DIY project. Just replace the old, damaged ends with these new, durable tips. Crafted from sturdy metal, these aglets are built to last. They offer a reliable solution for extending the life of your favorite footwear. Whether it's canvas sports shoes, boots, sneakers, or skates, these aglets are the perfect replacement. They're also great for repairing clothes laces. This pack includes 80 pieces, enough to repair multiple pairs of shoes. Keep your footwear looking sharp and functional for longer. What we like. Want a clean and seamless look for your footwear? These aglets feature a smooth finish and a specific size ideal for many common shoes. If you prioritize a sleek aesthetic and need a reliable replacement for your canvas shoes, sports shoes, or boots, this is a fantastic option. What people say. These save the ends of your tennis shoe strings. These work great, very easy to install. They appear to be durable. They'll look that well, especially the black in black shoes, silver on gray, etc. You cut the frayed end off, install the new end, clamp it down, and you are back in business in a couple of minutes. A very low cost, simple to execute solution to an ever-present problem with kids' shoes. Number 1. Paracord Planet Shoelace Ends. Tired of frayed shoelaces? Our shoelace ends are the perfect solution for easy DIY repairs. Keep your favorite footwear looking great. These metal aglet tips are designed for durability and style. They provide a clean finish and prevent further fraying of your shoelaces. Simply attach these replacements to the ends of your shoelaces. No special tools or skills are required for a quick and effective fix. Crafted from high-quality metal, these aglets are built to last. They offer a premium feel and superior performance compared to plastic alternatives. Give your shoes a new lease on life with these essential accessories. They are ideal for sneakers, boots, and any shoe that needs a lace refresh. Whether you're repairing old laces or creating custom ones, these tips are a must-have. They add a professional touch to any footwear project. What we like. Seeking a straightforward solution for worn-out shoelace ends? This product is designed for easy DIY repair, offering durable metal tips that can also be used for other projects like Paracord. If you value simplicity, durability, and versatility in your repair supplies, this is a solid choice. What people say. The shoelace aglet is made of durable metal, ensuring it won't easily break or rust. The aglet features a unique locking mechanism that keeps shoelaces securely in place, preventing them from coming undone. Installation is straightforward, requiring no special tools and can be done in minutes. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.